I've got this. I choose to be calm even in times of stress. I am worthy of resting, relaxing, and dreaming. I live in the present moment. Peace and happiness are inside of me. I am letting go of all tension and stress. The stress and anxiety are slowly melting away. It is okay to feel fragile and sensitive and even sad. Being calm and relaxed is my priority now. I relax and let go of the things that I cannot control. I give myself permission to let go, relax, and be calm. I am whole. I realize the power of my mind and put my thoughts to good use. There is peace and love in my home, even in the midst of chaos. I am at peace and ready to have a good day. I breathe in relaxation and I breathe out tension. I am strong, able, and calm. I let go of upsetting energy and embrace peaceful energy in its place. I release all fears. I am safe and calm. I only focus on what I can control. I am allowed to make mistakes. I feel peaceful and relaxed, knowing I am exactly where I need to be. I am strong and calm and beautiful. Each day I am practicing to be more and more relaxed. Thank you so much for listening to this video today. I hope this brought you some more peace and added relaxation to your day.